guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you guys one of my favorite craving of all time when I'm pregnant. Well, if you're not pregnant, you can still eat pickles. I love pickles either way, but today we're going to deep fry pickles. Y'all ready for this? These are crunchy, yummy, and quick to make. So let me show you guys how I make it. All right, these are the ingredients, guys. About 5 of them. I'm using some dill pickles with seasoned panko bread, and also I'll be using all-purpose flour to make the batter. And to season the flour or the batter, I'm using ground black pepper. Also, I'll be adding in some garlic powder for some garlicky flavor. And also we'll be adding Italian seasoning or whatever seasoning that you do like. You can just pour it in there. Italian seasoning works well for me, so we're going to use that. Just remove the pickles from the jar. Then we're going to pat them dry. All right. Now we have all the pickles. I am going to take a napkin, just pat them dry, just like I'm doing right there. Once you're done, it's time to cook these. These don't take long to make, honestly. And I love pickles by itself, especially right now that I'm pregnant. But making this, it's like heaven on earth for me, okay? So we're going to season the flour. I'm adding in the Italian seasoning with the garlic powder and also the ground black pepper. You don't need salt, all right? And next I'll just add my water to it and form like a batter. Now your batter cannot be too loose or too thick, if you know what I'm saying. Make it like a pancake batter, but a little bit runnier, if you know what I mean. Okay. And I do have a fried okra recipe. Check that out if you guys love those little fried chips thingies. I do love them myself. So I'll leave that below for y'all. Just give that a stir, just like that. Boom, you form your little batter, and trust me, it's very flavorful. Now all you have to do is take your pickles. I'm using a fork. Take a pickle, submerge the pickle into the batter, just like that. Shake the excess batter off, then just add it to the panko bread. All right. And once you're done, we're going to fry these. Now I'm frying the pickles on 375 for about 2 to 3 minutes. And the time is basically up to you because it's up to you basically. If you want it to be crispy, crunchy, however you want it, just go for it. At this point, it's up to you. Once you're done, you're going to just fry them. They fry up really quickly, so you got to keep an eye on them because they change color really quickly. And you don't really need to cook the pickles. It's just the batter. And be very careful when you're frying these because you can get hurt. You will definitely burn yourself if you're not careful. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I do upload video at least 3 times per week. We have some awesome recipes here as well. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those delicious recipes. Now once they're done, you see how golden brown they look, and let me tell you, they're so crispy. So crunchy, crispy. I know not everybody's a fan of pickles, but I am, And if you are, let me know in the comments. Do you like pickles? I do love pickles. Like, I love, love, love pickles. And basically that is it. Once you're done, just remove all of them from the oil. Let them dry on a napkin so they can soak up all the oil. Then boom, you have the perfect crunchy, crispy fried pickles. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you like pickles, and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.